Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the festive season makeup tutorial. And in India, we celebrate the festival from October to till end of the November. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe to get the new updates. Now the weather is changing, my skin is getting dry. I would like to clean my skin first by using this hydrating spray. Then after that you can see I'm using Innisfree scrub, and trust me, this scrub is really good. I really like the granules. They are not very hard, they are very soft and good for your skin, which removes all the impurities and even the blackheads. Gently massage all over your face with the fingertip. If you put makeup regularly, then you should clean your face once in a week. I mean, apply a scrub or face pack, anything which removes the impurities from your skin. Now I'm gonna wash my face and we'll be back. Wow, I love my skin and feeling so good, so soft and very clean. This is a real squeeze face mask from Innisfree only, and I will be putting this mask on my face for 5 to 10 minutes. What I love about Innisfree, if you visit there, you will get varieties of masks there according to your skin type, and they are very reasonable also. And this mask is good for dry skin, and if you don't have dry skin also, because of whether your skin is getting changing, then you should try this mask. I'm using this Natural Radiance regular primer from MAC. This foundation is good for dry skin, and you can see from the beginning whatever product I am using, all products are especially good for dry skin only. Apply this foundation with the beauty blender because it is more convenient and it looks natural. Today I'm going to use this mineralized compact because I have already applied the very thick foundation, so I don't want to look cakey. Alright, let's do the contour. It's a creamy contour, and you don't have to buy the special product for this contouring. You can use the concealer palette, as I'm using the dark concealer palette from MAC. I'm gonna apply this creamy blusher with my fingertip and dab it on the apple of the cheek so that it blends very well with the contour. And this blusher can be used on lips as well. Alright, let's move towards the eye makeup. For that, I have the palette from MAC, and this is the color in brown shade in matte finish. I'm using my fluffy brush, and you can see fluffy brush is always good for blending. Adding black to intensify the corner and crease. If anyone has eye shape like mine, then this technique is very good to show your eyes bigger. This is a mineralized eyeshadow. I like this eyeshadow because of the shine, and I'm gonna wet my brush with Fix Plus to apply so that it won't fall on your face. Again, using this fluffy brush to soften the edges. Now it's time to add more shine in my eye makeup, and I'm gonna use this Silver Reflect with my fingertip just in the center. Filling the kajal on the waterline. This kajal is smudge free and very dark. It's always important to smudge the lower lash line for small eyes, because when you smudge it, your eyes will look big. Another important element, that is eyebrows. If you don't groom your eyebrows, your eye makeup doesn't look nice. And you know who doesn't have good eyebrows, they can use this waterproof eyebrow gel, which is very good and you can give any shape, and this is long wearing too. Can you see the difference without eyebrows and with eyebrows? Okay, let's complete the eye makeup. I'm using this Euro Paris eyelash, which is very light. To apply the eyelashes, it's all about practice. If you practice, then only you can apply easily. Another very tiny and very cute eyelash. I got this eyelash from Pack, and I find the Pack lashes are also very light. Let's see how it looks. When you apply the lower eyelashes, you just need to hold from the corner, outer corner, and stick to your natural eyelashes so that it looks natural. You know, I have already applied a lot of shine on my eyes, and my main focus is eyes, so that I'm using this Chicory lip pencil from MAC. This is one of my favorite lip pencil. I will be using gloss on top. You know, in India without jewelry we look very empty, so I'm gonna wear my white bangles. I'm using this hydrating mist all over my face, and you know, you need to keep your hand in front of your eye makeup so that your eye makeup won't spoil. Thank you for watching me. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you want me to show something else, do not forget to comment. Once again, thank you so much. Wear makeup and be happy. Bye bye. See you soon.